Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Arm and Legs, and welcome back. I've been away for about 1 to 2 years since my last music video reaction upload, and I'm not alone. I have somebody else with me today. Special guest. Come. Whoa! Look at my good boy. So now it's not only my channel, it's our channel. But yes, I just saw that TAEYEON just released a new music video. It's called 2X. I'm expecting it to be like a chill song for the winter. We'll see. But the thumbnail actually looks kind of like a dance song. Alright, puppy, do you want to get right into the music video reaction with Papa? Yeah? Alright, let's react to it. Mm. Mm. Oh, it's a slow song. She's so pretty. It's been a while since I last saw her. Who's the guy? He's kind of handsome. Mm. She has not aged a single minute. What do you think? You like it? Oh, it's falling asleep. That means this song is very soothing, even for dogs, you know. I can imagine this song being played everywhere in Korea, like at cafes, restaurants, or even like clothing shops. Of course, because it's her and her songs are good. Oh, she's so pretty. She's like one of the last K-pop idols of the second generation girl groups. We need the legend to be here for us. But let's talk about the colors in this video. It's mainly red, black, yellow, and blue. Not sure which color represents what, but I think it's kind of cool. See, it's red again. Maybe it's about like how love is a fire, but also it's also poisonous too. See, he's a narcissistic guy. I'm just guessing. I don't know. Oh, she's so pretty. Damn, she'd be burning the house. Oh, what did you guys think of it? What did Puppy think of? Well, Puppy thought it was very soothing, so he fell asleep, which is great. He even has his pop up. Alright, I thought it was great. It's great to see her back. And okay, let's see what people actually thought about this song and this music video. Let's see. Yeah, they all talk about how this song is very soothing, and oh, it's actually it's an album. Oh, I need to go check it out. Huh. This is a great way to start my morning. I mean, it's not that morning, it's 11 o'clock here. But it has cleared my mind. I'm ready for the day. I'm currently unemployed, so I've been job hunting. I'm gonna be listening to this, of course, in the background to kind of calm me down from all the unemployment anxiety. Yeah. Alright. Thank you guys so much for giving me the second chance to come back to this music video reaction world. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up. And it's not my channel anymore, it's our channel. So yeah, thank you guys very much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Say bye! Okay, I need to put Puppy to sleep. He's sleepy.